Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn our next part of the tense, means past tense, second type, past continuous tense. Okay, means what is the formula for past continuous tense? Means subject plus was, were plus ing form of the verb plus object. Subject plus was, were plus ing form of the verb plus object. Okay, means for example, see here, if there is a affirmative sentence, then if there is a first person singular, then we are writing I was working. I was working. Here is not use the object. Means I was working in the field. In the field is the object. Means like this way. If there is a third person singular, then also we are writing there was. Means she was working, or he was working, it was working. If there is a second person singular plural, you were working, you were working. And if there is a third person plural and first person plural, then they were working. Like this way. Means if we are taking the another example, for example, they were digging a well. They were digging a well, or she was singing a song. Okay, she was singing a song. Means first person and third person singular. First person singular, third person singular. We are writing was, and we, you, and they. We are writing were. For that, we are writing were. Then if there is a negative form, then after was or were, we are writing there not. Okay, was or were, we are writing there not. If there is a question, before the subject was or were. Before the, for example, was I working? Was I working? Or were you working? Okay, was he working? Were they working? Like this way. Then what is the uses of past continuous tense? First, to describe an action that was going on in the past for some time. Describe the action that was going on the past for some time. Okay, means for example, I was reading a novel. I was reading a novel. Or see here, the sheep were eating grass the whole day. Sheep were eating grass the whole day. Means the action is going on in the past for the some time. Then second, use of past continuous to describe an action that was in progress when another action took place. We describe the action that was in progress. For example, see, they were dancing when the lights went off. When the lights means this action is in progress. Which action? They were dancing. And another action took place. Which action took place? When the lights went off. When the lights went off. Or while I was planning to go out, while I was planning to go out, my friend dropped in to see me. Okay. Or he was returning home late when a dog bit him. He was returning home late when a dog bit him. Means he was returning home late. It is a progressive. Okay. And then action took place. Which action took place? When a dog bit him. Means like this. Means when a dog bit him, it is a progressive, and he was returning home, it is a action took place. Means like this way. Means action. See, these are the sentences. Then means these are the uses for past continuous tense. Then next is past perfect. Third type of past tense is past perfect. What is the form? Subject plus had plus past participle plus object. Subject plus had plus past participle plus object, or past participle means third form. For example, he had written a letter. He had written a letter. Or here the same example, how we are writing, I had working, I had worked, I had worked in the field. Okay, or he had worked in the field. Here we are writing first, second, third person, same. We are writing there had only. Okay, or we had drawn some money. We had drawn some money. Like this way we are writing. If there is a negative form, then I had not worked before the past participle, and after the had we are writing there not. Okay, or he, she, it had not worked. Or hadn't also we can write there. If there is a question before the subject, write there had. Had I worked, had you worked, or had he worked, like this way. Then what is the use? To indicate that, see, an action was completed at some point in the past. Some point in the past before another action took place. Before another action took place. Means here, if two actions are concerned in the past, if the two actions are concerned in the past, the earlier action is to be in the past perfect, and the other we are writing in the simple past. If there is a two actions are concerned in the sentence, if there is a two actions are concerned or occur, that time we are writing means express one action means first action which happened in the earlier, that action we are writing in the past perfect, and other action which happened the means after that, then we are writing this in the simple past. For example, see, the thief had escaped when the police arrived. The thief had escaped when the police arrived. Means first here it is the thief had escaped. It is a past perfect. And when the police arrived, it is a past simple. Simple past. Next see, the rain had stopped when he opened the umbrella. When the rain had stopped when he opened the umbrella. Means first the rain had stopped, it is a past perfect, and when he opened the umbrella, it is the simple past. Like this way. Then second use, to express what we wanted to hope to do but didn't. Means to express what you want to hope to do but didn't. Means what we are writing there, for example, see, I wanted to visit the monument this month, but it is closed for repair. Means first we wanted or we hope to visit the monument, but didn't, means but it is closed for repairs. Or next example, Mukesh Bhai had hoped to retire at 60, but was forced to continue. Means first is he wanted to do means retire. His hope is to retire first 60, but there was force to him to continue. Means it is but he didn't retire. Okay, like this way. Then next type, fourth type of past tense is past perfect continuous tense. It's the formula of that, subject plus had plus been plus ing form plus object. Subject plus had been plus ing form plus object. For example, he had been writing a letter. He had been writing a letter. She had been singing a song. Okay, like this way. Then if there is affirmative, then I had been working. If there is a negative, after had we are writing there not, and then been. Okay, I had been working, I had not been working. And if there is a question, then before subject we are writing there had, means had I been working, or had you been working, or had he it been working, or had you been working, or had they been working. Okay, like this way we are writing the questions. Then uses to describe an action or event that began in the past and continue to the certain point in the past. Okay, for example, the children had been playing football for 2 hours. Children had been playing. See, it is began in the past. And then continue at the certain point means when the principal, certain point means here the principal, when the principal arrived. Means till the principal arrived, children had begun to play football. Okay, the children had been playing football. Like this way we are writing. She had been writing a letter when she collapsed. Means that action took place when she collapsed. Means that continue to a certain point. Till that point when she collapsed. Till she collapsed. That action took place. Like this way we are writing this past. Means it is past perfect continuous tense. You have to write the uses of these tenses. Okay. Thank you. We'll continue next future tomorrow. Thank you.